Akwane meni rani no nazone me nazani no niura kwamugu dende karaka na maposa fondo. What do you want from me, my son? Speak on.
Baba, I need money. You did just wait to give me why we use the disappear and appearing.
If I have such power, you just be sitting here. I'll be disappearing and appearing. So go, my son. I don't have such power. Go. What is it, my daughter? Speak on. Who is hearing?
This boy, they just break my heart anyhow. I needed to give me chance that to make me hold them. Anything I told them to give to me, they will give it to me. Sharp.
My daughter, I don't have such power. If I have such power, I'll be commanding some people to bring money for me. So go, my daughter. I don't have that kind of power. Go before we strike you. What do you want from Ogogo?
Baba, I want power. I want power. Any power you get. Which power do you have now? So give me.
Which power do you want?
Any power where you get. Anyone where you get. Which one where you get? Give me.
And bring money before.
Which one do you have?
You give me money before.
I will give you money.
Yeah.
Before you give me power.
That is it.
Which power? Give me the main power where you get now. Let me know what that power will get. Then I will get.
Tell me the power you want.
I need any power, anything.
Any power. I don't have that kind of power.
You don't have that kind of power.
Yeah.
Now, which power do you have now?
Money.
Money.